Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel once again. Real quick here, because it is happening right now. I want to show these plastic molded connections on the heater hoses on Ford vehicles and why you need to really watch out for them whenever you're doing any kind of service on the engine. I'm about to do a full timing kit on here. I smelled something weird. I had the engine nice and hot. About to pull plugs on here too. And sure enough, look at this right here. It was actually fizzing out of there a second ago. It took me a little too long to talk and get the words out. But right here, these little molded connections where they over mold these T's into the rubber hoses here, this one especially is very prone to it. When I take this one off, I might show it later because we're going to replace it with a Motorcraft one. We're not doing a T from Dorman or something like that. You'll see this one's already cracked and leaking. Very common. You just nudge them and they can actually just blow out on you, okay? But I'll pull it back here and I'll just kind of snap it right in half. This plastic is really brittle. It's another molded connection right there. But this is a perfect example. Customer had no idea. I smelled it. I knew something was going on. And I usually plan on having these on hand, this exact hose, this T that goes over to the right-hand connection for the heater hose and over to here because I need to pull it out of the way so far to get to the timing job. And I know if I mess with it, it's gonna start doing this. And this one's failing before I even got to it. So it's one of those things to be aware of. They use these on, Explorers, a lot of vehicles, a Focus. Whenever you see them, watch out for them, or just have the hose on hand so you can change it up, because it's going to fail you on you down the road, and it's going to just leak all the coolant out within a few minutes. You'll be stranded. Okay, so you might as well just change them and make it more reliable. All right, here's a little bit of bonus footage for you guys. The customer decided to change both heater hoses and the quick connect hose for the degas bottle. All three are common leak points in these vehicles. So we went ahead and changed all of those so the vehicle's nice and reliable for him and his family. But here they are, the old ones. We're going to show you just how brittle these can be after all those heat cycles, okay? Now, if you remember, this one right here is the one that was leaking in the video before, just leaking all out of here big time. So you just bump these things and they can break, so yeah. So these ones are a little bit stronger. Yeah, these ones are holding. That one's okay. This is another common area. You see how it just breaks like that? I mean, it's really easy to do. This one, like I said, it doesn't leak as often. Let's try to break this one. This one's a little harder to break. You can hear it crunching, but that's about it. Yeah, this one's hard to break. But this one right here, whoo, for some reason, this big daddy right here, it breaks all the time. So anyways, just goes to show, it's one of those things you want to look out for whenever you're servicing these vehicles to make sure you don't have problems down the road that you created. I'll see you guys next time.